The journey from development to go live can take months, but too often the mission can't wait. What if we could change the paradigm and jumpstart software innovation with quality and security embedded from the start? Introducing a software factory. Software factories allow us to build solution baselines once for reuse again and again. They automate away repeatable tasks, free up time for the critical mission work, and meet rapid demand for quality solutions at scale. A factory approach minimizes the need to worry about the basic and often redundant underlying components of an application, such as authentication, design systems, and deployment platforms. This enables innovation while reducing complexity and time to market. At Booz Allen, we use software factories to elevate the role of developers. They can build to a customer-centric experience to best support the emerging needs of the user. The process starts with a collaborative vision focused on customer and mission value. Next, developers access a central library of reusable patterns, application scaffolds, and shared services that powers the production assembly line. They quickly stand up the application infrastructures that are then customized for specific mission needs. This assembly process happens in the front stage of the factory. It's where delivery teams align their project requirements to existing factory components as a starting point for high-end development. With this foundation, a project can eliminate months of upfront tasks, reducing costs and driving value from day one capabilities. To enable this model, there is an equally important backstage of the factory where standard tools, accelerators, and modern applications are brought to life. Here, product teams build, test, and enhance the reusable libraries. They're joined by system teams that automate processes and establish a common pipeline for continuous delivery. The backstage feeds the front stage, producing a high-volume factory of products, services, and solutions. The paradigm is changing, from transforming the Department of Veterans Affairs with emerging technology at scale to enabling the U.S. Air Force through modern delivery. Booz Allen is a partner in trusted innovation. The benefits of a software factory approach compound over time, launching you into the future of scaled solutions delivery. Find out more today at boozallen.com/software.